As your apps become larger, the best thing to do is, before they get too big, is to think how to split them up into a series of smaller apps. And then what we're going to look at here is how you actually seamlessly switch between them. So let's look at this in action. Let's put this here into live mode and run it. So what we actually have is an app, and as I start typing you'll see we've actually got an embedded app which is covered in the next video. This is embedded inside this, and as I type it's putting something into there, and now when I press the switch button, this is actually going to move from this main app that makes up this area here to a different app. And I'm going to type a bit more, press the switch button again, and now you can see I'm actually switching back to the original one. And that happens very seamlessly. You can control the appearance of the hourglass and stuff like that. So let's now take a look at the code. So we've actually got three apps that we're using for this. There's the main one here, there's the second one that we had, and then there's that little embedded one. So the actual switching command is done here behind this button. So if I go to the events, you'll see what it's doing is it's getting information from the global data store. So this is something you should read up on. Get global data, the name of a variable that you give it, app. If it's already in the main app, then switch, here's the command, to, and this is the app ID that you can find in the console of the app you want to switch to. And then here's how you switch back again. If it's not the main app, it must be the other one, so I'm going to switch back to the main app here. So the get global data command puts information into this global data store so that when you switch to the other app can get it back. In this particular case, it's made slightly more complicated by the fact that we're using an embedded app, which we're talking about in a moment in another video. And here I'm telling the parent app to switch rather than the app itself. So in many cases you would actually say app.switchapp, just not in this case.